If fondant always stresses you, watch this. Your cakes will look smooth from today, and the best part, you don't need any special tool. I will show you 2 beginner-friendly tricks that will make your fondant clean, neat and professional in just minutes. So watch till the end so as not to miss out on any tips and tricks. Let's check out some of the ingredients. Here we have our sifted icing sugar. We have gelatin. We will make use of CMC. You can see more than one gelatin and more than one CMC here. That is because I am making a wedding cake. And that is vanilla. We will also be using glucose. And then some icing sugar or corn flour for kneading later on. Kindly check out the description box for the full recipe. The first method is the gelatin-based fondant method. First, let's start with the gelatin fondant. In a bowl, bloom your gelatin with a little water. Allow it to soak. Then melt it over hot water until completely dissolved. Once the gelatin melts, add your glucose syrup or corn syrup. Stir until everything combines smoothly. Leave it to cool down a bit. In another clean large bowl, sift the icing sugar. And then add the CMC. Combine them together. Make a well in the center and then pour your gelatin mixture into the bowl of sifted icing sugar. Start mixing gently. It will look sticky at first, that is normal. Just continue to mix gently. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly do and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video and be a part of our community today. You can add in more icing sugar or cornstarch if it still remains sticky. Now dust your table with icing sugar and knead until the fondant becomes soft, stretchy and smooth. This gelatin fondant is perfect for any weather because gelatin makes it strong, stable and less sticky, especially in humid areas. I am not using glycerin in this recipe because the gelatin already gives it enough elasticity and the shortening keeps it soft and smooth. That is if you are adding one, I mean the shortener. This gelatin fondant is perfect for humid weather because it holds shape nicely. You can see how stretchy and smooth this looks. You can wrap this and then store for days or even months. And for the second method, we have egg white fondant method. Begin by sifting your icing sugar. Add the CMC. Add glucose, egg white and water into a bowl and mix thoroughly. And then add this mixture into the icing sugar and CMC combination. This dough will also become very sticky, even more than the gelatin method, but continue to add some icing sugar or cornstarch. Continue to dust it all over it until it becomes smooth and stretchy. Transfer onto a work surface and knead properly until the fondant becomes smooth, elastic and pliable. You can now add your color of choice. If you are using more than one color, divide your fondant according to the quantity you want to use for each color before you start coloring. Also, allow it to rest for about 30 minutes before you start forming it into shape. This egg white fondant is great when you need a soft, flexible fondant for decorations. Also, watch out for my video on how I make a simple and unique cake decoration with this white fondant icing. This video is a beginner friendly. Link to this video will be in the description box below. Are you loving the tips and recipes? You will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets, cakes, cake deco to event planning and natural egg roll solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class and let us level up together. You can follow us on our displayed social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. And that is it. Two easy fondant methods, one with gelatin and one with egg white. Both perfect for beginners and home bakers. Tell me in the comments, which method will you try first? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cake decorating videos. See you in my next video.